What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRavled, and today I have these, the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped, we're gonna explore all of its contents, we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course a latency test. Sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, let's do this, let's go right meow. Alright guys, so before we get started into the audio portion of the test, I'd like to go through the app. There's a lot of different features and functions that are available in these Amazfit earbuds than a normal set of earbuds. First, I'd like to show you here. So you have your normal active noise cancellation, your call noise reduction, ambient true sound through, immersive dynamic sound. This is all normal stuff. But on the other side, you have your exercise heart rate, smart running recognition, hearing protection reminders, and posture alerts with exercise. So here is the app itself right here, guys. And your first settings are normal, right? You can see the percentages of the case, the earbuds, where they're charged. You have your active noise cancellation or hear through modes. And then you have here your hearing health. I'm just gonna read it word for word because they explain it best. When you enable the hearing health feature, Amazfit PowerBuds Pro will analyze and measure your in-ear volume in real time and suggest listening times per week to help you better protect your ear health based on the hearing protection standards made by who. So you have that option there. You have cervical posture protection. After the cervical protection feature is enabled, the earbuds will detect your head and neck posture with the help of a sensor and remind you to relax your cervical vertebrae. That way you don't, create some fatigue, probably more while working out or maybe when you're hunched over on your desk. This would be really a good feature. I know a lot of people suffer from some posture issues and neck and back pain, so that actually might be really great for you. Then you have your equalizer. You can set it how you want manually, or you can choose from multiple different EQ presets. Wearing sensitivity, this is basically, you could take them out, it pauses, you put them back in, it plays. You have run detection, so it's gonna start saving your workout data within the app. There's a lot of health features inside of this app besides just your normal earbud options. You can connect to a bunch of different third-party fitness apps as well. You can get a heart rate alert. These have inside of them heart rate monitors, so while you're working out, they'll activate, they'll record your activity within the app, and if your heart rate exceeds whatever you set it at, it'll also notify you within the earbuds themselves. You have a beat mode, so while exercising, the earbuds will automatically boost the bass in your music, making the music beats more clearly and lively. I know a lot of people like to listen to super active, high intense music while working out to kind of keep you motivated, keep you going. And then you also have tap for a report. When your earbuds are connected to the ZEPP app during the workout, you can tap the earbuds to broadcast the current speed, your heart rate, and other workout data that's within the app. A lot of options in there. You have your updates. I did update to the latest firmware. As you guys can see, there's no additional updates available. I am on 0.6.1. If you go back in here, there's a lot of health options and features. We'll save that for another day. Today, we are focused on the sound that these will emit, the mic quality, the active noise cancellation, and the latency. Even though these aren't marketed as gaming headphones, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. These are really marketed as a health earbud, and at $149 they pack a lot of features, but more importantly, let's jump into the video and see how they sound. Let me get these popped into my ear tubes, open up the YouTube music app, and let's do this. Highs are crispy. Here comes the bass. Woo! Brain rattling bass. Wow, the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro bang super hard. If bass is your thing, these are now your thing. The PowerBuds Pro bang hard. They are brain rattling. It's what I've been looking for a while. These are the new bass champions right now. I'm saying it. They sound great. The highs are very clear. The mids are good and smooth, but that bass rattles the brain. It's what I love. Audio, check. Let's see how they do with the mic test. All right, guys, before we start the mic test portion of this video, do me a quick favor. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you have notifications turned on. That way you get notified of my next video. Thanks, I appreciate it. Well, let's do the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro with ambient noise running in the background. Now, these have 3 microphones in each bud. Are these something that are holding up to some of the best? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. All right, guys, so now it is time for the active noise cancellation test. Let me introduce Ted. If you don't already know who Ted is a binaural microphone. Basically, Ted has a mic in each ear, and that way you'll be able to hear what it would sound like if these earbuds were in your ears. All right, let's get set up for this. All right, guys, so right now the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro are in Ted's ears, and this is what it would sound like if we were just having a conversation and nothing was turned on. ANC and hear through, both features are turned off, just in normal mode. This is what it would sound like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and switch it into through mode. Again, my voice now should be much clearer, much louder. You may even be able to hear some other noises around me. And then finally, let's go ahead and put it into active noise cancellation mode, ANC. And this is what my voice would sound like. It should have gotten much quieter. So what I'd like to do now, guys, is go ahead and turn off all the features again. And then I'm gonna start some ambient noise in the background. Now this ambient noise is running at about 88 decibels, which is typical of a bar, a coffee shop. Let's go ahead and turn active noise cancellation mode on now. So now we got all the ambient noise running in the background. ANC is turned on. It's about 88 decibels. What do you guys think? Are these holding up? Are they working as they should? I haven't heard them yet. You're hearing them before I actually hear them. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, and let's jump in to the latency test. All right, guys, so it is latency test time, and as always, we are going to test with an Android and iOS device. The Android phone is a OnePlus 8 Pro. The iOS device is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Up first is going to be the Android device. Let's do it. Let's jump in. Here we go. All right, now let's go ahead and switch over to the iOS device. All right, guys, so there you have it. We did an audio, a mic, an active noise cancellation, and latency test. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.